All right, so we are now leaving the bowling alley, and we had a really good time. I would definitely recommend this place. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed the music. I enjoyed the vibe. We had a really good time.
We bowled a couple of games. We did the mini golf. My scores weren't particularly strong. The first game I had a 127? I think I had a 127. In the second game I had a 160, and I got like a gutter ball in like the 10th frame that really kind of upset me a little bit. It was still fun.
Yeah, but now we're heading home after an eventful day, and so we will talk to you guys soon.
All right, have a good night. Good morning, peoples. It is Sunday morning, February 13th, and we are leaving the hotel. We're headed back home. It was a good trip. Got to spend some time with my wife. We had some adventures, which I'm sure you have all seen by now. And we're headed back to reality. But it was a good trip. St. Thomas Island is a good place to visit. It's nice and quiet, and it's so close to some other things if you want to take a look. Not too busy. But yeah, the hotel was good. We ate at a couple of good restaurants and just had a good time for the couple of days we were here. Anything you would like to say, my love?
Oh no, I am waking up, you guys. I'm just trying to get myself gathered for the road, for the trip back to Jacksonville. And there's like, we have a busy week ahead of us. So we actually had a really good time. I enjoyed every bit of it. And yeah, this is something that we would definitely recommend.
Okay. That's a wrap for this trip, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.